For sole proprietors and freelancers, invoicing is more than sending a bill. It's how you get paid, stay organized, and look professional. Two of the most popular options that make that process easy are Square Invoices and QuickBooks Online Invoicing. Square Invoices is designed for simplicity and speed. It's part of the Square ecosystem, which means it connects naturally with Square Payments, Square Appointments, and the Square mobile app. You can create an invoice in minutes, add your logo, list your services, include taxes or discounts, and send it directly through email or text. Clients can pay online instantly with a card, digital wallet, or bank transfer. The best part about Square Invoices is how effortless it feels. You can manage everything from your phone or desktop, track when clients open the invoice, and get notified when payment is received. It also supports recurring invoices and automatic reminders, perfect for freelancers with ongoing projects or retainers. For service-based work, you can even request deposits upfront and send itemized estimates before turning them into invoices later. Square's payment processing is built right in, so you do not have to connect a separate payment gateway. The fees are transparent and predictable, which makes it easier to budget. And because everything lives in one dashboard, sales, payments, and reports, you always know where your cash flow stands. For freelancers who want an all-in-one invoicing and payment tool without the complexity of full accounting software, Square Invoices keeps things smooth and modern. Now let's look at QuickBooks Online Invoicing. This tool lives inside the broader QuickBooks Online accounting platform, which means it is deeply integrated with your books, expenses, and tax tracking. When you send an invoice in QuickBooks, it automatically updates your income records, saving hours of manual bookkeeping. QuickBooks makes invoicing feel professional and connected. You can customize invoice templates, include payment options, and let clients pay online through credit card, debit, or ACH transfer. The system automatically tracks which invoices are paid or overdue and can send reminders if needed. For freelancers who already use QuickBooks for bookkeeping or tax preparation, having invoicing built into the same system keeps everything clean and consistent. Another strength of QuickBooks Online Invoicing is reporting. You can see your outstanding invoices, revenue trends, and client payment history in real time. That makes it easier to manage cash flow, spot slow payers, and stay prepared for tax season. It is a little more structured than Square, but that structure becomes a big advantage when your finances get more complex. If you value speed, simplicity, and built-in payments, Square Invoices is the better fit. But if you want invoicing that seamlessly ties into full accounting, QuickBooks Online Invoicing delivers the structure and control you will appreciate as your business grows. Both tools make getting paid easy. The difference comes down to whether you prefer all-in-one simplicity or full accounting integration.